Dear students and friends, in almost 8th standard maths, we come across a chapter direct and indirect proportion. I have usually seen the students, puzzled over this direct and indirect. Almost most of the students take many days just to understand the difference between direct and indirect proportion. So actually, in a very easy way, I will try to make you understand what is the actually difference between these two. Look, suppose you have got thousands, you have got 1000 rupees, and your friend has got 5000 rupees, and you both want to purchase same thing. This is money centered. With the help of money, I am trying to make you understand. Suppose you both take a decision to buy some particular article. Okay, then you have got 1000 rupees and your friend has got 5000 rupees. There is a difference. So you have lesser amount, so you can buy lesser amount of the article, lesser amount of that thing, while your friend once has liked that article, no doubt he will buy more than you because he has got more money. So the questions based on money, they are basically, they fall under the category of direct relation. More money, more things you can buy. Less money, less things you can buy. So this is direct relation. Now, what is indirect relation? Indirect relation actually comes up when there is a question of work or food. Look, suppose you have got a plot, 1 acre plot, and you employ 5 workers, and your friend wants to employ 10 workers or 20 workers. Then you have got 1 acre of land. You tell me, 5 workers are going to finish it sooner, or 20 laborers or workers are going to finish it later? Who will finish sooner? Who will finish later? No doubt, there is same piece of land, more labors you employ there, more labors will complete it sooner. Lesser number of workers take more time. Lesser number of workers take more time. More number of workers take lesser time. This is actually, inverse proportion question. This is inverse proportion. That is indirect proportion. Indirect. Here it was direct regarding money. Regarding work, it is indirect. Inverse. This is also termed as inverse. So there must be no doubt. Again, food. Suppose there is garrison, means where soldiers stay. You have got some amount of food, and the food you arranged for 100 soldiers. But what happened? All of a sudden, in place of 100 soldiers, 500 soldiers arrive at the garrison. What will happen? They will finish that provision, that food, in lesser time. So lesser number of soldiers, more number of days, the food, the provision is going to sustain. Big number of soldiers, they will finish the provision, they will finish the food in lesser days, in lesser time. So this is inverse relation, that is indirect relation. Inverse and indirect is same thing. Have you got it? This is the difference between direct and indirect relation. Once more, before I conclude, direct relation comes in case of money. More money, less things. Less money, more money, more things, sorry. Less money, less things, direct. You want to complete a particular work, you want to complete a particular work on your land. In fewer days, you have to employ more workers. If you want to take more days, there is no problem about days, about time. You can employ a lesser amount of workers, they will take more time, much more time. So that is inverse. But in similarly in the case of food, that is provision, the same fact is applied as in case of work. So that is indirect proportion. I think you have understood it.